죽이고 그냥 보내주면 되겠다. 잡아야지. Yes.
Big one?
No.
Sea bass. Are there sea bass?
Little sea bass.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll take that. Cut him right up. We'll use him as bait. Sea bass.
No. You think so? You think so? Yeah. I'll let him live. Next year. Next year.
Put. Oh, there's Dr. Thing. 강어란 말이야?
옆쪽에?
예, 옆쪽에? You sure no blackie? 옆쪽에? Let me see. Let me see. 너 넓적이. 너 넓적이. 감독이. 사이즈도 안 되는 감독이. 훌륭한 사시미 가면 되겠지? 저 정도는 많이 나오는 사시미 가면 돼.
What's 23? The one you got, Cap?
Yeah.
Heads up.
Only 23
23.
people over there. You know, they got the pool, $70 each person, but
They have a pool?
yeah, $70 each.
$70? Do
Yeah.
I
About
win?
$20 first keeper for the only 20 over 23 inch. Oh my God!
You
Nice.
son of a bitch.
Oh shit!
I almost had him.
Oh, 좋은 거 올라왔는데.
I didn't get lucky that time.
That
That was a sea bass. Connie, you got one?
Come on, Mike.
Fluke? Whose is this one?
없다는 거야?
I'll put it somewhere. I'm gonna move some stuff around. These poles don't even have reels on them, so they're going up.
You sure? Fluke? You don't know yet?
Nothing.
Oh, come on. That's a sea bass. Not even legal. Sea bass.
He's gonna give you shit all day, huh? That's a fluke. Or a porgy.
Yeah, not too good. What the hell is this?
Small? Yeah, baby. Chill.
세훈이가 괜찮은 것 같아. Stop it.
So the keeper?
Oh, those are keeper.
Nice size.
Keeper.
That's a maybe right there. Maybe. Good. Another sea bass, huh?
No, he said fluke, but let's see. He said sea bass. I mean the fluke. This is a new style fluke. Yes, black fluke.
The black fluke.
Yes.
Well, you just got a 22-inch keeper. Totally wasn't recording. Adds another one to the boat. Do you have a fish coming?
Well, it's just tiny. Tiny.
Hopefully it's a
Hopefully keeper. Baby.
You were right, Connie.
Baby.
Really small. Tiny.
Okay. Warming up. Okay, thank you.
Peter's got something decent. Is it a tuna?
They're either a big sea bass or a very strong fighting fluke. I think it's a fluke.
It looked like it flew when you first hit it.
This guy's fighting a lot. A fluke.
Oh yeah, that's a fluke. Oh yeah. Come on, Peter. Give us a 10.
Yeah, I doubt it. Close, maybe an 8.
Where the is
It's
it?
underneath.
There it is. Decent one. Decent. Nice, Peter.
Wow!
Oh, nice.
It's a nice fluke, Peter. Yeah, baby.
Yep. It's all your soul.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Peter wins. Almost 26, Peter.
Plenty.
Tuna.
Tuna.
Excuse me.
Wow.
뭐야?
Yes. Tuna.
Good one. Good one. Yeah.
Big mouth.
Nice fish.
Keeper. Keeper. Nice.
He got pissed as soon as he got in the net, huh?
Nice.
That's the one I dropped earlier.
Oh, yeah.
Came back.
Yeah, same one. Yeah. What's your name?
Quarter inch shot.
Yeah, half inch.
Half inch.
Full inch.
야, 그 추 옆에다가 하나 딱 달아갖고 그냥 이러고 하는데 잘 잡네. 뭐 이거 허구한다, 이거 헛일이네 이거.
Nope. Real close. Yeah, that should keep though.
저기 그 지정하라고 해라. Yes. 너무
Beautiful.
Is it gonna be 23?
More than 23.
Oh, that is a beautiful.
Yeah, no, not negro. I know what it is. Say fluke.
Oh my God.
Big fluke. Yeah, not 23, more than 23. Yes.
21.
Oh my God, no. Yes, sir.
22 something.
No. Okay, then I try again.
You got a fluke? Sea bass. Sea bass.
아, 오늘 우리 영광을 뭐냐? 10했으면.
Keeper size.
Okay. Okay.
Drum roll?
Yeah, what is it?
I don't know.
2020?
Look.
Okay.
23.
Yeah, 23! Oh! Yeah, my friend. Yeah. Oh, you got two. Oh, that shit. Yo, thank you very much, everybody. 23.
Small size? Big size?
No, baby.
Kunga. Baby's coming? Baby. You too, huh? Get bigger. How are you even eating all of this? I'm getting the net, Peter. Yeah. Right back in there. That should keep. The whatever LaCroix or whatever it is, that one's good. Polar didn't do it any justice. Need another little one?
Probably.
Me too. Almost all of them. Let's hope this one's a keeper, Colin. Bigger than the last ones.
Keeper?
Maybe. Yep, that'll keep, Connie.
Oh yeah. That's good.
Looks like you don't need to change your rig. Is that the bottom?
Oh, I think about
Looks like you do need to change your rig.
Big fish.
I thought it was a monster for a second.
No. Oh, I got something. Look.
What
have
the fuck is going on right now?
Sea bass. Yeah, it's a fish.
I don't know. What do you think, Cap?
I don't believe it.
I don't believe it either. It looked like you had a monster fish, then you were stuck. What is it? Big sea bass? Big one, yeah. Nice. Nice sea bass. That's a good one. Real good one. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Not even sea bass. Doggy, right?
No, sea bass. Yeah. It was spinning weird. Almost looked like a dogfish.
Go home, go home.
Go home? Okay.
Go home.
Yeah, too small. Got it?
Fluke that. Definitely fluke.
Definitely a fluke.
Yeah.
So silly. Too easy? At least it's a right little shit. Well, it's another porgy.
Could not be.
That's a fluke. It might be there. Oh, maybe not. Got a little smaller in the net.
The only rod I use, I love it.
Which one? That rod?
No, that's John's.
The white one he gave me, the spongier one.
Oh, okay, yeah, for the blackfish, right? That's an awesome rod.
Who gave it to you? Oh, nice. One more inch, Connie, next year.
Yellow negro.
You did it.
얼굴 맞네.
Let me see face.
That's it. Oh yes, that's definitely fluke. Okay. Nice fluke.
It's a dogfish.
No. Flatfish we call. Nice size too. Yes.
Oh yeah,
yes.
got the shakes.
We'll grab a 5-ounce from you.
Yep.
There it is, Connie. Wow, wow.
오. 왜 올라온다? 그냥
Oh God! Nope, nope, nope. And it's in his line. And gone. It's gone.
Gone?
Yep, it got tangled in his line.
Oh, fuck.
What? Got away?
Yep, it got tangled.
What line is that anyway?
It's his.
Can't be his.
Oh, I don't know.
Whose
I have
line is
no
that?
idea. I thought it was his.
How can it be his line? He's catching a fish.
I know.
He's got a fish.
I thought it was his just because of the angle it was at. It was yellow line.
No, mine's green.
Yeah, it's not yours. It was somebody else's with yellow.
Was it Justin's line? No. 수고하셨습니다.
Big. Oh my God! Get in there! Jesus Christ!
Oh yeah! Beautiful.
Wouldn't even get in the net. Holy shit! I turned the camera on just before that came up.
Thank you.
That's a fucking beast, dude. 11?
No. I said maybe
11. I'm saying 11. That is not a 9. I caught one yesterday.
Not that fat though. You'll
Fucking big though.
You'll push 10. I
beautiful.
will find out.
Thank
right
you,
now.
brother.
Whew. He didn't want to get in the net.
10.5 or
His
11.
fucking tail was just hanging out. He was all the way in and his tail was just hanging out of the net.
No, I don't want to bother you. You know, I see the fish.
I was like, it scared the shit out of me for a second.
Brother.
Alright, here she comes, Cap. You see how high it just went? What's your prediction? What do you think?
10 3/4.
I mean, look at how long it is, dude.
Over 10.
10.
10 1/4.
Woo! Yeah, baby. Here, let's get a picture. Let's get a picture.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, put it back. 29 inches. Connie?
Yes. Look. That's
I'll just show it. I'll get the
They give up on us? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it is. Is that a big sea rat? No, that's a fluke. Oh.
There you go. Lead her right into it. Good job. Nice.
You redeemed yourself.
She's giving you a pat and pat.
I like pats. He was too low again. He could have went in there at first, but he was too low. I had to back up. Then she got him in perfect.
Yeah, she's got to pull the line up and then lead him in.
You too? Oh no. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Come on.
I think it's the other way.
Need more hands.
Net? Ooh, Connie?
Thank you.
Yep. Everybody else is tangled and stuck. Connie's stuck in sticking fish. That looks like another. That should keep. Oh, maybe not. Wow.
One shot. Bang.
So magnified down there. Maybe. It's long. Boy, did it look, it looked double the size for a second though.
I know.
Tell ya.
It look bigger. Thank you.
Save the squid too. What you got there?
It's almost hit me like a sea bass, but it's fighting like a fluke.
Yeah.
Could be. We'll find out in a minute. Definitely a big sea bass. Fluke usually come right under. Big fish comes right underneath you. You tango? Yes, sir. Go ahead.
No, take. Oh, you're on the bottom.
Oh, now I'm in the bottom.
Come off?
No.
Come on, like I said, big sea bass. Looks like a big sea bass.
Yeah, that looks almost nettable. I never net these things.
Jumbo. 3 pound.
Nice.
Give me that fluke belly back, you piece of shit.
Cool. Thank you.
Oh. You called it right away. Connie telling?
Yeah, that's one.
Fluke and a keeper. Nice, Connie.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Come on, baby. Yes. Yes. Fluke. Come on, baby. Number 4. Yes. Oh, thank you.
What the fuck? Did you have a fish? He started reeling up and then all of a sudden it went probably a sea bass.
Put a jig down there. We'll see how quickly it'll get back.
Yours is a fluke. Oh shit. I did not think that was going to be a
yours
fluke.
poke, yes. Bait,
A little bit small.
Good bait.
Yeah, a little
Okay.
small.
Baby!
Little baby, yeah.
Good bait.
Bye bait. We should have netted that porgy.
That's a pro. Yeah, that's it. Like that.
Not a sea bass.
This one is
This one, that's a fluke.
Yeah. He's the one who didn't catch not even one yet.
Ah, 씨발 방어 말이야.
Chiquito.
Did you say Chiquito?
Chiquito.
What's Chiquita mean?
Chiquito is small.
Spanish?
Yeah, chiquito.
Bring my.
And that was bottom.
Oh, touch it.
Get him.
That's great.
Good one, Peter.
Decent. It's keeper. Wow, he doesn't want to come out.
Maybe bigger than you thought.
No. I mean, he's decent. He's just following me up. Yeah, that's a good. That's a good. Wow.
All right. Woo, did you see that jump?
Yeah, he jumped.
Did you fucking see that?
Jumped and saved.
I don't think he was coming off the hook. Did you get everything? No? Ah. What's up? You got what? You got fish, Tony? I was watching him get stuck.
I'm afraid.
Afraid what? Not hooked well? Oh, me?
No.
Big?
Could be a wall ball. Whoop,
Oh, don't say that. It's bouncing a little bit though. Feels too heavy to be a fluke.
He's bouncing.
He's bouncing though. I'm gonna move Peter's rod real quick. Okay. Top shot. Can't see anything. It's a big fluke, yep.
Which way?
Bring him up and then try and come him right.
Yeah!
Oh, wow,
my
Connie.
God.
Yeah!
Yeah! Woo!
Oh
my God! That is a big fluke.
There you go, Connie.
Yes, yes.
She thought it was a dogfish at first.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because it was so heavy.
Ah, yeah.
Is that your biggest one?
My biggest was 11.
11, okay. This is gonna be close.
Why you beat me?
That's gonna be close.
Oh, nice, nice.
Woo!
Beautiful, Connie.
Ah, yeah. So
All right.
Yeah. You big fish.
Jesus.
Watch your fingers.
Oh my God, it came right off the hook too.
Monster!
Cap, Wait, that one, I'll net this one.
Nope.
That's a fluke too, but size, I don't know.
Come on, everybody.
Connie, how much do you think it weighs?
That one, I say,
No, that's over 9.
8 or 9.
10.
Not as big as
Never.
What is it, Cap? Oh, so close, Connie. How about this one, 10 pounds?
Whoa! Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
No bleed, right?
Yeah, that's the no.
You want me to put it in the net?
Well, he inhaled it.
Wow, Connie. Ow.
I don't know who's coming up. I think Connie's coming up first.
Connie's gonna be up first. Nice fluke. Connie's got a fucking sea robin, which is great. Bring him in. Great bait. Okay. I used to hate them, now I love them because I caught a 9-pound fluke on sea robin.
Oh, now he's feeling like a big fish. Ooh,
Yeah.
coming up.
Decent. 5 pounds. Oh, a little further up. Or not. There it is. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Yeah, baby. Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.